How to customize Shopify Dawn theme header. Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Dawn themes header. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any of the browser you have on your PC and then in the search bar, type in Shopify login. So type in Shopify login, hit enter and click on the login button, then log in to Shopify using your user credentials. So you will be promoted to your dashboard, and on your dashboard, you will have to click on the themes button that you see. Then you will see this page, and on this page, you'll have to scroll down and make sure that Dawn theme is currently set as the default theme on your Shopify. So click on the add button if it isn't set as the default theme of Shopify. Then after adding it as the default theme, you will see Dawn theme as the current theme in this page. Now, in order to edit the header, you'll have to click on Customize. After you click on Customize, you will see this page. Here you can edit header, template, footer, and much more. So you can edit all the aspects of your Shopify store on this page. As you can see, this is my Shopify store and this is how it's looking like. So in order to edit the header, that is this part of my page, I will have several ways. So the Shopify store, the name that you see just right here, you can edit this in the settings, and all these navigation bars you can easily edit in the navigation panel of dashboard. And I will show you how you can do that. So if you want to edit minimal aspects of the header, you'll have to click on header and then you will see header appearing in this section. Here you can set the desktop logo position. So you can click on this and choose this. And now the logo will appear at the top left. So you can choose top left, top center, middle left and middle center. Now scroll down and if you want to change the main menu, click on this option and you'll be automatically promoted to your navigation page. And another way to navigate to this page is clicking on the online store button on your dashboard, then clicking on navigation. After you click on navigation, click on main menu and you'll be promoted to this page. Here you can edit all the aspects of the header. As you can see, I have home, all products, contacts and about us page. So I have all these header menu items appearing just right here. If I would want to delete any one of these, I will click on delete, then click on remove. Now, in order to add a menu item, I will have to click on add menu item, then name that menu item. For example, I want to add a menu item named as catalog to my footer. So I will type in catalog and then you can select any one of these navigation links. So for example, I want the pages to get opened when someone clicks on catalog and I want it to be for the cool shirts. Now I will click on add and click on save menu. After that, my menu will be updated. So I will cut this out and go back to my editing panel. So after I refresh this page, I can see that the contact button has been replaced with catalog button. Now click on header again and you can click on change and you can select the desktop menu type. For example, if you want it to be a drop down, mega menu or drawer. So I'm selecting drawer. Now if someone will click on this three-lined icon, they will see a drawer appearing on this screen. So you can choose the style of your header by selecting these options. Now scroll down and click on sticky header. Now scroll down and navigate to the color scheme and navigate to the color section of this page. So in the header section, you will see color and under color, you will see color scheme. So in order to change the color scheme, you will have to simply click on the change button and add any of the schemes that you want your header to be in. For example, if I would want my header to be in black, I will choose scheme 4. Now as you can see, the header of my Shopify store has been changed to black. And if I would want to edit this, I will click on this edit link that I see just under scheme and select background. And now choose the color that I want for my header. For example, I want it to be red. So I will choose red and leave it as it is. Now you can also choose a background gradient that will add more effect to your Shopify Dawn theme. You can select this one and that's it. Now after choosing the color scheme, you can scroll down and choose the bottom margin of your header. You can increase it and it will look something like this. You can choose section padding, bottom padding just by increasing or decreasing this scale. so you can easily follow your header by following my instructions pretty easily. So that's how you customize Shopify's Dawn theme header. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.